At Coastal Health USA, our installation process is as thorough as possible while remaining seamless for you and your employees. Our process starts with a pre-installation on-site visit from the Coastal Health USA team. During this visit, we will take measurements of all high-touch surfaces in preparation for pre-cutting the antimicrobial film to ensure a perfect fit. We will also identify the ideal locations for your UVC LED disinfecting cases. If applicable, we will then check in with your IT team regarding the delivery of any antimicrobial computer accessories, such as washable keyboards and mice. We will also perform ATP swabs of all high-touch surfaces to measure microbial levels before and after product installation. The information collected during this process will be critical in developing and optimizing your custom infection control plan. Next, we will work with you to schedule the product installations to take place outside of your business's operating hours. The installation process can take 1 to 14 days depending on the size of your facility and the scope of your infection control plan. To begin installation, we start by disinfecting all relevant areas to ensure all surfaces are clean and ready for install. Next, we start with the installation of the antimicrobial film, in which we utilize a combination of wet film applications for larger areas and device screens, peel and stick applications for smaller areas, and heat shrink applications for handles and doorknobs. Next, we'll install your UVC LED disinfecting cases at their predetermined locations and train your staff on the proper use of these disinfection cases. Once the install is complete, we will then move forward with a walkthrough to review the install and identify high visibility areas for the Coastal Health USA's certification badges and labels. This walkthrough also includes spending time educating your employees on the infection control plan and the proper use of our EPA registered disinfectant. Once the installation process and walkthrough are complete, we will then schedule monthly or quarterly on-site audits to ensure you have maintained optimal use of your infection control plan, as well as make any repairs if needed with the use of ATP testing. With our thorough install and check-ins, you can rest easy knowing your business is protected year-round. Coastal Health USA. Cleaning the things you can't see.